Hello students. Now we are going to start with next topic, whether management is science or art, that is nature of management. Some experts regard management as science because there are well tested and experimented principles, while others describe management as an art because more practice is required. So we have to find out whether management is science or art. Students, now on screen, as you can see, screen is divided into two parts. On one side, features of art is given, and on the other side, feature of science mentioned. Let's first check it out. What are the features of art and science? Features of art: existence of theoretical knowledge, personalized application, based on practice and creativity. Feature of science: systematized body of knowledge, principles based on experimentation, universal validity. Now we are going to see the very first feature of art as well as science, whether these features are applicable on management or not. First feature of art: existence of theoretical knowledge. Now students, what is the meaning of theoretical existence of theoretical knowledge? That means whether the written literature is available or not. Systematic and organized written literature is available in arts, so to acquire theoretical knowledge of art. In management also written literature is available, and you can say the best example, that is your business studies book. Now what is the thing? Now on the screen again you can see yes is mentioned over there. It means this feature of art is present in management. Now on the other hand, management as a science, the very first feature of science, that is systematized body of knowledge. In science, organized and systematic study material is again available, which is used to acquire the knowledge of science. Now like science and management also, there is availability of systematic and organized study material. So we can say this feature of science is present in management. Now we are coming towards the next feature of art as well as science. The second feature of art, that is personalized application. This means person must have personal skill and creativity to apply that knowledge. In the field of art, only theoretical knowledge is not enough. Every artist must have the creativity to apply that knowledge. As you can see on screen, yes is there, it means this feature of art is there in management. In management also, managerial people learn same management principle and theories, but their efficiency depends on how well they apply these principles under different situations. Let us come to the other side, management as a science. Second feature of science, principle based on experimentation. Scientific principles are developed through observations and then tested through repeated experiments. The management principles are also developed through observation and experiments, but since management deal with human being, we all are aware of that part, and human behavior cannot be accurately predicted. So this feature of science is partly present, you can see on screen, partly present. So many times we say management as an inexact science. Then we come to the next feature of art and science. Now third feature of art, based on practice and creativity, and over science, universal validity. All art is practical. Art involves the creative practice of existing theoretical knowledge. Now what is the meaning of that? That is, it is based on practice and creativity. The person required regular practice of art to become more fine and perfect. As we all know, practice makes a man perfect. Exactly in the same manner, with experience, managerial people can also improve their management skills. As you can see, yes is mentioned over there. Again, on the other side, we are going to check uh, management as a science, universal validity. Now, scientific principles have universal applications and validity. We all are aware of this part. Management principles are not exact like scientific principles. Uh, so, management principles are not universal in nature. They have to be modified, they have to be changed according to the given situation. So, this feature of science is not present in management. You can see no is given over there on screen. So, all the three features of art are there in management, but all the features of science are not present in management. Hence, we can say that management is more of art and less of science. So, many times people are saying management can be called as inexact science. That's it. Thank you.